AssalamuAlaikum everyone. This is Artikia and welcome back to my channel. After a long time I am back with my new Party Hijab tutorial and I hope you will like it. If you want to know how to create this hijab look, please keep watching and do subscribe my channel for getting more styles of hijab and hit the notification bell. Today I am using this beautiful Party Hijab and Orna, which are sponsored by Orna Hijab Godown. The shop's address and other details are given on the description box below. The material of this hijab is tissue with diamond stone and pearl work. Now fold the hijab like this by taking it from the side. Now I am taking this Orna which fabric is Rashom printed and simply it gives you an elegant look. If you like this video then be sure to give a thumbs up and please do subscribe. Thank you.